There's a shaking in the valley, there's a rumble in the sky. Dry bones waking up as the Spirit passes by. Chains start falling when the name is declared, and the sound of freedom fills the midnight air. I hear mercy calling, I hear darkness falling, every captive rising, glory is arriving. I hear the sound of freedom in the midnight hour. Chains fall off when you release your power. Heaven is moving, angels are singing. I hear the sound of freedom ringing. Broken hearts mending, the lost being found. Sinners running forward when the trumpet sounds. Grace like lightning shaking every wall. With a voice of thunder, Jesus breaks it all. I hear mercy calling, I hear strongholds falling. Hope is resurrecting. Glory